Welcome to our lecture online. What if we have exponents that contain letters 4m, 3m for the exponents of x and y? How do we deal with the product of these two binomials? Well, again, we need to recognize as seeing that the two first terms are the same, the two last terms are the same, and the only difference is that there's a negative sign there and a positive sign. So in the general term of that particular example looks as follows. It would be a minus b times a plus b. So it's always important to recognize this as being nothing more than something like that in a more complicated form. And we know how to solve this problem. This is simply equal to the first term squared minus the second term squared. So here we're going to do exactly the same thing. This must be equal to the first term squared minus the second term squared. Now all we have to do is follow the normal routine of dealing with exponents. So first of all, we have the number 2 squared, so that becomes 4, then x, and notice that x is raised to the exponent 4m, and that's squared. So the rule is when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, we multiply exponents, so 4m times 2 is 8m. Minus, here we have y raised to the 3m squared. Again, we multiply exponents, so this becomes 6m. It's done exactly the same way that we did this problem over here. Simply the sum and the difference of two binomials, or I shouldn't say the sum and difference, but here we have the difference of two terms and the sum of two terms multiplied together, and that's the result of that, when the first two and the last two terms are exactly the same. That's how it's done.